Honeybees make honey as a way of storing food to eat over the cooler winter period. When they are unable to forage and there are fewer flowers from which to gather food, honey is ideal for bees. It is full of nutrients and is a great energy food, because it is high in sugars. When you consider that whilst flying, a honeybee's wings beat about 11,400 times per minute, you can guess they need a great deal of energy. They also beat their wings to regulate the temperature in the hive, even when they are not flying out to forage for food. There is tremendous activity in the hive, and all this work requires energy. Why do bees make honey, then store it? Why don't they simply eat it as they go along? Well, imagine this. You're stuck in your home, and the weather is so bad that you're unable to go out and get food, and even if you could go out for food, there wouldn't be much around anyway. That's what it's like for honeybees in winter. Whilst they may be able to forage on a dry, cold day, it's unlikely there will be many flowers for them to forage on. For this reason, they collect, then store their food to last them through the winter months. Then, come spring, the weather will warm up, the flowers will begin to appear, and they'll be able to collect food again. What is honey? There's more to honey than meets the eye. Honey is a sugary substance made by bees using the nectar they have collected from flowers. The bees mix this with a special substance called the bee enzyme. A basic scientific formula is as follows. Sucrose, nectar, plus invertase bee enzyme, equal to fructose plus glucose, honey. There are different presentations, set, comb honey and so on. And there are also subtle differences between honeys from different beehives, depending on where the bees have been foraging. So friends, now you must have a better understood that why this occur. Hope you have learned something new from this video. If you like the information, you can share this video with your friends. Don't forget to subscribe our YouTube channel, and press the bell icon for latest updates. Thank you.